Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today we're going to make some chocolate quinoa crunch bars. And again, in the previous video, I'm probably not saying that correct, but the video where I made the crunchy quinoa will be in the description box below, and it also will pop up at the end. So now I said we're going to make some candy, so let's get started. Now to make it, we're going to need our crunchy quinoa. And I went and bought this candy mold just at my craft store for like $1.25 because I can use a 40% off coupon. You do not have to have a candy mold. You can just make it with drop it on some parchment paper or silicone mat. Now I am using the candy melts instead of chocolate chips. You can use chocolate chips, but for candy making that really needs to be tempered. So I got these. Now I'm going to make some white chocolate, and I like dark chocolate, so I'm going to be using that. You can use any kind of chocolate that you like. They sell all kinds of different colors and stuff, so you can make it festive. And I'm also going to be adding some chopped pecans to mine, but you don't have to. So let's get started. I'm going to make one side the dark chocolate and one side the white chocolate. So I won't need the whole bag. But just follow the directions on the melting on the back of your package. So let me get some candy melts melted and we'll get started. Alright, now that our chocolate is melted, and it really depends on how much nuts and the crispy quinoa that you want on there. I've melted about 8, maybe 9 ounces of each. I'm going to start by adding a couple of heaping teaspoons. If I need to add more, I can. That looks good, but I'm going to add another teaspoon. So let me add 3 heapings to this one. And now you can add, if you want to go ahead and mold it just like this is fine, but I want to add some nuts to mine, and my favorite is pecans. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in there and give it a stir and see how that looks. If I need to add more, I can. And that looks perfect to me. I want to add just a little bit more to the chocolate. And now if you don't have a candy mold, like I say, you could just drop it in little mounds on some parchment paper or wax paper or silicone mat. Then I'm going to tap it down to get out any air bubbles. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator just till it sets and firms up. And with these molds you can tell, because when you look at the bottom of it, it'll be like glossy. And you can see it breaking away from the plastic. So I'll bring you back once these are set. Alright, our candy's ready. So they should just pop right on out. I'll give you a close-up view. Ain't that pretty? And here's the dark chocolate. It could have set in the mold just a little bit longer. It's just like a crunch bar. You can see the white chocolate better. Okay, time to try bite. Very good. Still has a crunch. You can taste the crispiness of the quinoa. And I'm probably saying that incorrect. Now to taste the white chocolate. Very good. Alright, let me get this plated up and I'll bring you back. So thanks for coming along as I made some chocolate quinoa crunch bars. So the video to how I made the crispy quinoa will be in the description box, and it should be popping up here any minute, so you can check that out. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, because I love hearing from you. Would you like to try this? Let me know. I want to thank all of my subscribers. You're awesome. And please feel free to share my videos if you want to. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.